Ever wondered how to get to Otaru from Sapporo for a perfect day trip? Hi everyone, this is Kurtashing Adventures. Today we're taking you to a beautiful day trip from Sapporo to Otaru. But before we explore the canals, deserts, and charming old streets, let's start with the most important part, how to get there. We will show you the easy and convenient way to reach Otaru.
Hi guys, good morning. So we are still in Sapporo. Today is December 31, last day of 2025, and we're heading to Otaru. So nag-taxi na lang kami, nag-Uber na lang kami going to Sapporo Station, and then we will ride the JR train going to Otaru. We're now here at Sapporo Station and we're looking for the train na sasakyan namin going to Otaru. So JR line yun so hanapin namin. So guys, hindi kami nag-reserve ng seat namin. Kala namin hindi kailangan. Pero apparently, may reserve seating din pala dito sa train na to. So, nandito kami sa non-reserve line, pero mahaba na yung pila. Baka di kami makaupo. So guys, since 50 minutes yung travel going to Otaru, nag-decide kami na wag na sumakay dun sa may rapid airport train. Dito na lang kami sa local train sasakay kasi mas konti yung tao, mas may chance kami na makaupo. Unlike doon, madaming reserve seats tapos ang haba na ng pila sa non-reserve. Kaya dito kami sa local train na pupunta din naman sa Otaru. Yan. Mas konti yung tao dito. Ayan guys, nakasakay na kami dito sa local train going to Otaru. Nakaupo naman kami. Ayan o. Dito kami sa car number 3. Ito yung hindi reserved seats dito. So, ayan. Magaganda yung mga upuan din dito. Andito na kami ngayon sa Otaru Station. Ayan. Kakababa lang namin ng local train. So, this is the last station yan. Papundak na yan ng Sapporo. So, dito sa may CR sa Otaru Station yan, sa may Burger King lang siya. Nandito yung mga coin lockers. So, pag may dala kayo, pwede kayo dito mag-iwan ng gamit nyo. And if you don't have coins, meron din sila ditong money changer. Ayan o. Pwede nyo pabaryahan yung 1,000 yen nyo. Yan. Basta may susi pa, available pa yan. So, that's 500 yen for the small one. Pag malaki, 800 yen. So, dito na kami. Nakapag-top out na kami sa JR station dito sa Otaru. Ayan o. Diyan kami galing. So, we're heading out now to explore Otaru. So, ito yung labas ng Otaru Station. Meron dong Don Quixote dun. Come to Otaru!
And finally, it's time to explore Otaru.
Oh, bell it. Ring it, Kurt.
Our first stop is the iconic Otaru Canal, where time feels like it slows down. It is surrounded by stone warehouses and quiet water.
Guys, dito na kami sa may Otaru Canal. Ayan yung Otaru Canal. Ayan, madaming tao eh. Ayan siya hanggang dun. Dun kami galing sa kabila kanina. Doon, and then hanggang dun siya. Bababa na kami.
For me, this is the most photogenic spot in Otaru, especially in the winter or when the sun starts to set and everything turns golden. From the canal, we walked to Sakai Machidori Street, and it was pure winter magic. Snow-covered streets, cozy lights, and rows of food stalls, cafes, restaurants, and souvenir shops everywhere. This is the kind of street you walk slow, eat a lot, and stop for photos every few steps. It was freezing cold, so we had to stop and warm up. And of course, that means coffee and dessert. We went to Otaru Cafe and tried the famous Hokkaido pudding, tokachu red beans, and warm sweet red bean soup with rice cakes. And wow, this was the perfect break from the cold. Simple, traditional, and so comforting. After walking some more, we were starving, so we ended the day the best way possible, with sushi. Otaru is known for its super fresh seafoods, and you can taste the difference. The sushi was incredible, and pairing it with Otaru beer, 10 out of 10. No notes. This alone makes a day trip worth it. If it's your first time in Otaru, don't miss out the Music Box Museum, Glass Museums, former Bank of Japan building, and of course the Litao for dessert. We skipped these today since we already visited them on our first trip.
Going back to Sapporo now. So ito may train na Sasakay kami dito going back to Sapporo Station. Ayan na.
Otaru is a small, walkable, and so full of character. Perfect for a day trip from Sapporo.
Ayan guys, nakabalik na kami ngayon sa Sapporo Station and we'll be going back to our hotel na para makapag-prepare mamaya sa New Year's Eve countdown. Thank you for watching guys, and I hope you like this video. Don't forget to follow us for more travel tips and hacks, Kurtashing adventure, where adventure never ends. Till our next adventure, goodbye!